Waterfall Symphony. Waterfall whispers sang rainy serene on wind machine whistle and moon tambourine. Morning birds twitter, igniting their hymns on triangle candle and old tire rims. Water explores all the sounds, all the rhymes of sleigh bells and sand blocks and bamboo wind chimes, and gently sends melodies drifting afar on dulcimer, silver, recorder, and harp. Water explodes over sharp mountain rocks like steel drums and cymbals and musical saws. Curious pebbles fall briskly through cracks like marimba maracas and castanet clacks. Gravity causes the silence to rip with jawbone and gyro and love drum and whip, and orchestrates songs for the skilled and astute on piccolo, clarinet, oboe, and flute. Rocks clank together in riverbed clocks like bongos to djembes and red temple blocks. Water engulfs them in silvery wares with thundershoot, rainstick, deep drum rolls and snares. Low hum of sadness obediently snaps to flexotone, xylophone, ratchet, and clouds. Each droplet, each pebble has stories to tell on fine crystal glasses and orchestra bells. Waterfalls guiding the musical mind unveil sweet sounds of higher pitched kind. Each bright overtone realigns us within as waterfall wisdom stirs, crawls, and strains.